about peeing on a water ride.
I'm gonna get wet if you bang into the wall.
You bang the wall, bang the wall, bang the wall.
Oh, no.
It's wet.
Oh, no.
Down below it.
I think
I'm gonna get a bit wet. Okay, Haley. On hologram.
Girls are screaming, I'm excited.
They'll be shitting themselves. They're gonna get a bit wet in every way possible.
Oh.
Honey, you see, kid. Yeah. It's gonna get wet, gonna get wet. I'm so happy I didn't sit there. Now it's my turn.
Stand up when
I'm gonna move my hand. You're fucking stinking. There's Haley. It's a tunnel of penis. Look, it's the tunnel of penis. I shall not be set. It's a bit dark, can't see anyone. Well, I can see Holly's head, and her head, and we're coming to an opening, and we're going to get a bit wet, there's a bit of wetness.
There's the camera, there's the camera.
Yes.
Smile.
That's on the wall. I got wetted.
It went down the
Yeah,
wall.
Cam! It's this one where you pick the camera. I take the camera off the camera.
Who is it? It's down here.
I'm gonna get wet!
My pants are wet.
Mum's wet. Wait, look, it's here. It's here. There, the camera's on there. Thinking pose, come on.
Your mum. Yeah. It's not.
It says so when it does. Oh, I've got a wet camera. I think it pissed itself.